What's good, y'all? This Trey from CTtoyss. The C stand for Caleb, which is my son. He's a newborn, 1 month old, not even able to ride a mini bike or even be outside for that matter. And the T stand for Trey. So with this channel, I'm gonna show you guys how I do things and fixing up toys like mini bikes, go-karts, quads, dirt bikes, doing buggies, basically. All right, those one mini bikes right there. Got 1 and 2. We working on the pink one. And the pink one, I don't want it to be pink. I bought it yesterday with the full motor, the pink, the everything, and I dislike it. So we're gonna strip the motor down. We're gonna strip everything off, the wheels off. Then we're gonna take it to the car wash. We're gonna take the paint off. And I'm probably gonna paint in this video. If not, that's gonna be my next video, painting the mini bike. And yeah. Alright, so I finally finished and broke it down. I broke every single thing down. Besides the grips. I'm gonna take that off right now. But I want to make this little quick, video to show you guys how I broke it down. Or not how I broke it down, but to show you guys that I broke it down by myself. Me and Caleb. And he's in there. He gave me support. We're gonna spray it off, wipe it down. And then we're gonna take it to the car wash, spray some more of the paint removal, and then spray it down again, and hopefully all the paint go away. I never tried the paint removal yet. It's my first time trying this, so if it don't work, you gotta try another one, but hopefully it works. I've seen a lot of videos and it look like it worked. But let's get it. We finally made it to the car wash. It's right there. That's the frames that I'm using. This thing right here. This is what I'm using to spray on it first, and then I'm gonna spray it down with the water. First, I'm gonna see how it is when I spray the can on it, and let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna spray it with some water. Alright, man, let's see how this look. Hopefully it come off fire. Hopefully it take all the paint off. But if it don't work, I got another technique that I'm gonna try. Let's get to working. Besides that, the fact that the motherfucking spray can spray weird, I think it's working. Look. See how it's all bubbled up? It's already peeling off. It's peeling off already. I just wish the spray can sprayed better, but it's working. I'm about to spray this next. Look, let's see. You can see it bubbling. Yeah. Alright, so I used a whole can. I don't know if it worked. I mean, so far it looked like it worked. I soaked this thing up. I finally figured out how to fix the spray can to where it spray good. And I still don't know how I did it, but I did it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how I look right now. And next I'm gonna just spray it. And hopefully it all come out, man. I'm gonna let it sit for like 10 more minutes. And then I'm gonna spray it all down. But look, I'm gonna show you how I look. I'm gonna let it sit for 2 more minutes. I'm gonna spray it down, and then I'm gonna meet you guys back at the house. Alright.
Did pretty good. It got majority of the paint off, but honestly I want more off, so I'm gonna go back and buy another one and do it again.
Alright, y'all, I'm back at the house. I'm tired, and that is day 1. That is video 1. We got more videos to come. We got more stuff to see, more updates, more performance parts, more test runs, more everything. But I'm gonna show y'all how it look real quick while I'm here.
That's how it look. It did somewhat of a good job, but it got like this stickery look. I don't know, it's weird. It got like a texture of like a sticker or something.
But that's it. Alright, y'all, subscribe, like, follow, share, and we out of here.